Okay, so now we've started on the calculator portion of the paper, which means at the bottom left down here, we now have a calculator. And you are allowed a physical calculator, and you may well wish to have a physical one in front of you as well. But the good perk about this on-screen calculator is that if for some reason you have to do 2 times 8 equals 16, you can just press this button, copy to working box, and it will go straight into the working box for you, which is obviously super handy, saves you having to do lots of typing. Alright, so let's have a read through the question and see what we need to do. In June, Gemma paid £68 for her electricity. In July, she will pay 5% more for her electricity. How much will Gemma pay for her electricity in July? So we need to take £68, find 5% of it, and then add it on, because it's 5% more. Now there are different ways of finding 5%. Some people might like to find 10% first, and in your head you might be thinking, yeah, I can find 10%. And if you can do that, you can half it and get 5%. But since we're on the calculator paper, we're going to use the method that's more common to use on the calculator paper, because this method lets you find any percentage really easily. So what we're going to do is take our number, our £68, and we're going to divide it by 100. 100. We're dividing it by 100 because percentages are out of 100, so dividing by 100 gives us 1%. So this number here, copy to working box, that is 1%. In money, that would be 68 pence, but it would be okay if it didn't make sense yet, because we're going to take that number and times by 5. So if that 0.68 is 1%, then timesing by 5 gives us 5%, which is written here as 3.4, or £3.40. So that's what 5% is, but because she's paying 5% more, we have to take that figure and add it on to how much she's already paying. So she was already paying £68. We are going to add on 3.4, which is what our calculator said, but really it's £3.40. That comes to this number, 71.4, but again, it's money, so it's £71.40. So when we put our answer in our final box, over on the left-hand side, like you can see, we're going to put £71.40. Okay, it's important to have the extra 0 at the end, because if I just left it like 71.4, it's not correct money format. It's got to be £71.40, 2 numbers after the decimal to make it money. And that's it. That's all there was to this one. So divide by 100 to get 1%, times that answer by whatever percent you need, which in our case was 5. So we times by 5 here to get 5%, and because it was 5% more, we then added on that 5% to the original amount to find what 5% more would be. Yeah, and that was it. So fairly straightforward on that one.